Hi friends, let us solve a nice problem. We have to find number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. 100 factorial means 100 into 99 into 98 into 97 into 96, 95, 94, everything up to 1. Right. Now, to calculate number of zeros, when will a zero come? Zero will come when there is a product of 2 and 5. For example, in 10 also, there is a product of 2 and 5. Right, 2 5s are 10. In 20 also, there is a product of 2 and 5. Right. In 50 also, there is a product of 2, 5 and 5. Right, 50 is 2 times 5, 10 times 5, that is 2 5s and 1, 2. So whenever there is a product of 2 and 5, we get a 0. Right, we have to find out in this 100 factorial how many 2's are there and how many 5's are there. Right. So let's look it like this. 100 factorial is 100 factorial is 100 into 99 times 98 times 97 is 3 to 1. Right. Right. This we can write it as in the ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 times dot dot. Dot means into. Right. Multiplication of all of these numbers. In these numbers, how many times 5 will come? 5 will come 24 times. Why 24 times? 5 will come once in 5, 10, 15, 20, likewise. Every fifth number is 5. So 100 in 100, there are 25s. At the same time, in numbers like 25, 50 are multiples of 25. 25 square, this is 5 square, right? 5 square, which is 25, will come 4 times. 25, 50, 75 and 100. Right? This is 25 times 1, 5 square times 1, 5 square times 2, 5 square times 3, and 5 square times 4. Right. So 5 square will come 4 times. One of the 5 we have already counted in the original 20. Right. So there is a second 5 in these 4 cases. Right. In the case of 5 square. So we have 4 more. So total 24 5s we have in the product of 1 to 100. Right. If you have to find out how many 5s are there in the product of 1 to 1000, what we will do? 1000 by 5. How many times? 200 times. Then 1000 by 5 square plus 1000 by 5 cube. Likewise, we have to do. How many times 5 is there? Then simple 5 is counted. Then 5 2 times. How many times are there? Then that also will add. Then 5 2 times is there. In this, with this number will be, these are counted once. So we'll add only once more. And similarly, 5 3 times, 5 4 times, likewise. Right. So in this case, in 1 to 100, multiplication of all numbers from 1 to 100, we have got 24 5s. Right. Now, 2's obviously there will be much more. Right. Every second number is a 2, and every second number is 2, and then even 2's will come in every product of 4. Right. 2 will come more than 4, and then 16, etc. 4, 8, 16. In 8, 2 will come thrice. In 16, 2 will come 4 times. Right? Likewise, so 2 we have lot of cases. Right? We want 5s and 2s together. Right? In how many 5s and 2s? So 2s obviously will be much, much greater than 24. And 5s we have 24. Right? 2s are much higher than 24. We don't need to count. Right? Because whatever they are, up till 24 only they are useful to create zeros. Beyond 24, they are anyway useless for us, we don't need. Whenever there are fives, fives are 24 fives, and we need 24 twos, 24 fives and 24 twos to create zeros. So total zeros are 24. Right, guys? It's such a simple problem. We just need to calculate how many fives and zeros are there in the in this 100 factorial. 100 factorial is 1 to 100 multiplication, and 5's will come 24 times. 2's will come more than that. Doesn't matter. Still, the total is 24. Thank you, guys.